is Abby. Today I'll be opening the Literati Book Club. I belong to Club Phoenix for kids ages to 9 to 12. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay. Very interesting. I like this photo because you can see that books always share imagination and you can go anywhere with it. Okay. This are like stickers and I like these. And that's my name right there.
Those are book plates. So you put those inside your book so everybody knows who the book belongs to.
Okay.
And they're all customized. So once you order Literati, whether you keep the books or not, you get to keep all of this stuff. There's a bookmark in there. All these book plates. Nice. Okay. What's the first book, honey?
The first book is Mr. Puffboy, Escape from the Castaway Island.
Let's see. Oh, who wrote that?
Let's see. Countess Lombardo.
Oh, okay.
Countess Lombardo.
Is it a graphic novel?
Let's see. No, it's a chapter book. Kind of like the new book, Bob. One and Only Bob.
Yeah, the One and Only Bob.
You should go visit that too.
Yeah, we love
that book.
Yeah, we love it.
And Mr. Puffball Escape from the Castaway Island is about. I'm sorry, it does not say what it's about.
Okay, what's the next book?
All right,
Let me see.
the next book, Spy School.
Ooh, who's that by?
It's by Edgar Allan Poe. No, wait. Stuart Gibbs.
Okay. It's about a spy school.
And that's the book.
Okay.
I'm sorry it doesn't say the stuff like it's supposed to. Alright. The next book is about fantastic failures.
Oh, what's the other title down there in red?
True Stories of People Who Changed the World by Falling Down First. Written by Luke Reynolds.
Okay. So that's nonfiction. And these other ones are fiction.
It does say what it's about.
Okay, what's it about?
It's about famous people get everything right the first time. They succeeded from their start. They are perfect at whatever they try, right? No way. Even the most celebrated people had to start somewhere in oftentimes. They had to start over again and again and again. Here's a trial. The error led to unacclaimed, the notable, but admired to success. They're known for now. In fantastic failures, you'll read about the mistakes and challenges by some well-known people throughout history.
Neat.
I will like this book. Thank you, Luke Reynolds. I do like to learn about people who have done things to change the world.
Yeah.
All right, and then next is The Midnight Gang.
Ooh. Who wrote that? David Williams. Let's see the cover. Doesn't that remind you kind of a Roald Dahl?
Yeah.
Like the Matilda and Charlie covers?
Will leave you in stitches.
It will leave you in stitches, which means it's what kind of book?
It's fiction.
It's fiction, but if it leaves you in stitches, it means you're going to be laughing.
The next is it's a book. It's a drawing book.
What?
So it's a puzzle monster dot to dot.
Oh my gosh.
And I like this cover. It's very creative.
I know. It almost looks like our pug.
Yeah. I like this.
That's neat.
Thank you for whoever made this.
Who did it?
It doesn't say.
It doesn't. Not even on the side?
Let me see.
Okay.
Nope.
No? Okay.
But thank you, whoever did it. This cover is very creative.
Yeah, all right. What else you got in there, babe?
I only got papers.
Oh, you know what? These papers, let's see. So if you don't want to keep your books, this tells you how to return it. And you can use the exact same box that it came in. And isn't that a cute box? This is the Club Phoenix price sheet, I guess you'd call it. And it tells you how it works, how much the Literati book costs versus Amazon and the regular retail price. So if you want to buy all the books in the package, it's $47.89, whereas if it were on Amazon, it would cost $51.18, and if you bought them retail, it would be $64.91. So you are saving quite a bit of money if you buy them from Literati. You don't have to buy all of them. You can send all of them back if you want, or just pay for the ones that you want to keep. There is a $5.99 non-refundable fee for this, but that's because you get to keep all of the personalized materials, the print, the art print. So this is pretty good. What do you think, Gab? You got some cool stuff?
Yes, and I like to give a shout out to all these authors who have made these creative and awesome books.
And look at these, Ab. These are not your regular. Look at. Oh, I don't know. You can see it. I mean, this is that dot to dot. Wow.
Dang.
Think we're gonna be busy this summer, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you, Ab.
Thank you. Have a nice day and goodbye.